What are the pros and cons of using prescription medication for treating unwanted facial hair? First, I should say that in more severe situations, and particularly those that involve polycystic ovary syndrome or other substantial hormonal problems, the doctor may choose to use a hormonal treatment, and a hormonal treatment has its own set of issues and something that you should review with your doctor, and the issues are outside of the scope of this discussion, but there certainly are hormonal treatments as well as spironolactone, which is primarily a diuretic but can be used also for treating unwanted facial hair. The alternative, the other approach to treating unwanted facial hair by prescription is a cream, eflornithine, that has recently been released. And it is a cream that slows the growth of unwanted facial hair. As a consequence, it is used in combination with other types of treatment. It is not considered a treatment complete in and of itself, but what it does do is to, by its effect on an enzyme, it slows down the production and the severity of the facial hair problem, so that in combination with either tweezing or waxing or some other form of treatment is quite effective in controlling the problem for many women. For others, they find that it's not effective, and there is a significant minority of women who find that the eflornithine is not adequate to control the problem for them. So in terms of downsides of the medication, the fact that it doesn't work could certainly be a frustration, as is the issue of needing to see a physician and to return to the physician with some regularity. So the issues associated with cost and time consumption are also a factor there. As far as side effects and issues of that sort related to eflornithine, it is generally a very low side effect profile, and consequently it is generally well tolerated by most users. I'm Dr. Wilkinson, and I hope that the answers that I have been giving in this video have been useful for you. This video is actually one of 20 videos that I shot dealing with the problem of unwanted facial hair. I've dealt deeply with that issue in the development of a completely different approach to unwanted facial hair called Reductase 5. But in order to deal effectively with the problem, having answers is very useful. If those 19 other videos are something that would be useful for you, I'd be happy to share them with you. 10 of the videos are the 10 most frequently asked questions about unwanted facial hair. Another 10 are what should be the most frequently asked questions about unwanted facial hair. If you'll go to www.trionel.com/free, you can sign up and I'd be happy to send those to you. Thanks a lot.